In this video, we'll deploy MongoDB on Cuemby Cloud. We'll start by configuring the instance and choosing the resources the service will need within the platform to run MongoDB. Then we'll launch the deployment, and Cuemby Cloud will prepare the environment while we review elements that are key for the client, how the network will be managed, whether the service will work independently or with external connectivity, whether it will also require a public IP address for controlled external access, which greatly facilitates the development of modern applications and the management of rapidly changing data. MongoDB is a document-oriented database designed to work with information in flexible structures like JSON, which greatly facilitates the development of modern applications and the management of rapidly changing data. It also offers horizontal scalability, high availability, and a robust query engine. We'll verify that MongoDB is operational and ready to start storing and querying information from applications. Testing external access via Telnet and the port MongoDB is running on. With this, the client not only sees how the service is explained, but also how you can start using a modern database in Cuemby Cloud with a clear foundation of infrastructure, connectivity, and backup.